help think about what makes for good teaching and learning. One of them is the notion of cognitive load. Cognitive load theory comes from the notion that in our working memory, our capacity is limited. When I ask you to recall a string of letters, probably recall only up to 7 plus or minus 2. This comes from psychologist George Miller. So the notion is how can we avoid overloading the working memory, optimize it so that I can better process the information before it goes to long-term memory. That's the notion of cognitive load. So why do we want to explore cognitive load? It applies a lot to designing teaching materials and teaching activities. We should understand the cognitive architecture of the human processing of information. So there are a number of strategies to plan instruction to reduce the cognitive load. Here are some strategies. Strategy 1 is tailor lessons according to the students' existing knowledge and skills. What knowledge do they bring to the classroom? What knowledge do they bring when they try to learn something? If they do not have a lot of existing knowledge or prior knowledge, then it's important to give a lot of guided instruction to the students so as not to overload their working memory. Strategy 2 is using work examples to teach students new content or skills. So when students do not have the content or skills, you need to use work examples, reduce cognitive load, because students do not have to focus on finding the correct answer. In a mathematics engineering problem, show them the work example, explain to them, and then they can focus on developing understanding, developing these schemas or knowledge on how to solve their problem. So as they become more and more knowledgeable in this area, you reduce the guidance. As a learner becomes more expert in this area, reduce the number of work examples, give them more problems to solve. That's what I mentioned as the strategy 3, gradually increase independent problem solving as students become more proficient, expertise reversal effect. So these are other strategies. When presenting information, cut out the inessential information, present all essential information together. Number 5, you don't want to split the attention. For example, teaching the functions of the heart. This is option A, where you have the diagram of the heart at the bottom, and then the names of the parts of the heart, and then the functions on the top. If you present it in option B, with the name of the part of the heart and the function, this will not split attention of the learner. This example of this presenting all the essential information together. You can look at instructional design guidelines to help support learners in the classroom face-to-face as well as online learners. Cut extraneous information, remove unnecessary text, graphics, videos, anything redundant or irrelevant to the task. Simplify complex information, provide lots of examples early to work example effect, encourage visualization and self-explanation, and slowly fade guidance.